Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel Learn to Infinite. This is Dr. DEEPALAKSHMI. In previous episode, we have seen the introduction of K-map and how to solve the algebraic equation for two variable K-map. So in today's episode, we are going to see how to solve a three variable K-map. So as I already told, in a question they will not be giving you solve this algebraic equation using two variable K-map, three variable K-map. You have to identify based upon the question, right? So first we will see the template of three variable K-map. So yesterday I told you, in previous video I have told you how to formulate the K-map template. So how many squares should be there in the two variable K-map? It is 2 power n, where n is the total number of variables. So today we are going to see three variable K-map. So it is 2 power 3, where n is the number of variables. So it will be 2 power 3. So totally 8 squares will be there, right? So first we will go for the template of a three variable K-map. So for three variable K-map, you are having either you can be A, B, C or X, Y, Z. Anyway you can take. So left hand side can be either A, B and C, or I can have A and B, C. It is left up to you. Okay, so here we are taking A and BC. So what are the combinations for A? It is 0 and 1, where 0 stands for A dash and 1 stands for A. And the combinations for BC is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. But we have to write 1, 0 at the last and 1, 1 here. This is for the simplification purpose, because for folding, when you are folding, when 1 0 comes here, it will be easily simplified. Okay, so it must be 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 and not 1 0 1 1. So you have to be careful in this. So when you look up to the total number of squares, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 squares. So starting from m0, the min terms, m1, m2 must be here because 1 0 is here, right? M2, M3, next is M4, M5, M6 and M7. So starting from M0 to M7, totally there are 8 squares. So this is the template for your three variable K-map. So now let us solve a problem for three variable K-map. So let us take an example problem here. Y is equal to A dash B dash C plus A dash B C plus A B dash C dash plus A B dash C. So by looking at the question, see the terms, how many terms are there? There are totally 4 terms and each term consists of 3 variables, maximum 3 variables. So we are going to solve this algebraic expression using a 3 variable K-map, right? So now let's move on to the problem. So first it is a 3 variable K-map, right? So as we know the template for the 3 variable, it is A, B, C, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 for folding and simplification purpose. So now let's fill this once. Listen carefully. See the first term, it is A dash B dash C. So which is A dash? When it is 0, it is A dash. When it is 1, it is A. So initially, for the initial solvers of K-map, I recommend you to better write all the variables so that it will be easy for you, such that you won't make any mistake. Okay. So this will be B dash C dash. Though it's not of compulsion, for you not to make any mistake, you can write like this. This is B dash C, this is B C and this is B C dash. So that whenever the terms are there, you can easily follow up right. So A dash B dash C, this is A dash B dash C. So put a 1 over here. Next is A dash B C. Next is A B dash C dash. Next is A B dash C. Right? So 4 terms, we have filled the 4 squares and remaining squares will be 0. It is up to you, you can fill 0 or not. Okay. So now we have to see whether there is a quad. Yesterday we have seen what is a quad, right? So when there are 4 ones together, you call it as a quad. So here there is no quad because there are no 4 ones together. But there is a pair, right? So how many pairs are there? There are 2 pairs. This is your first pair and this is my second pair. So you have to formulate or you have to make a pair in such a way all the ones are being filled. It is not like that I am going to form a pair, I will be forming 3 pairs, 4 pairs, no. So you have to be in the conclusion that I am going to form minimum number of pairs or minimum number of quad in such a way that all the ones are being filled. For example, here we have formed two pairs. All the ones are filled. Even I can form one more pair like this, right? Even I can form one more pair like this because it is vertical. But what is the use? You will be having one more term. What is our purpose? To simplify our algebraic expression. So what is the meaning for simplification? The number of variables and the number of terms must be reduced. So while formulating the two pairs, all the ones are being covered, right? So why to follow up one more pair? I hope you would have understood this concept. Okay. So now writing the answer for the two pairs. For the first pair, so see here, the first row is there, second column, third column is there. So what is the value for the first row? It is A dash. What is the value for second column and third column? It is B dash C and BC. Here B dash and B gets cancelled, so C. So the answer for your first pair is A dash C. Now coming on to this pair, second row is there. So second row value is A. What are the columns being concentrated? First column and second column. So here C dash and C will get cancelled, so it is B dash. So the answer will be Y of ABC is equal to A dash C plus A B dash. This is the simplification solution for your 3 variable K map. So hope you would have understood how to solve 3 variable algebraic expression using Karnaugh map. So in future videos we will also be seeing the min terms which are directly given and the terms which are more complicated. So more complicated in the sense, this type of sums you can solve easily because all the variables are given. Suppose if a term is given like B dash C, so how you will fill, right? If it is A dash B dash C, you know the straight away the term A dash is here, B dash C is here, you can put 1. But if any of the variable is missing, how to fill in the K map, we will be seeing in the future videos. Also, if the min terms are given directly, we will also be seeing how to fill the min terms directly and how to form the quad in the next videos. Okay. So, hope you would have found this method to be more easier than what you are seen in previous methods. So, this video would be much helpful to you. So, we will be seeing furthermore problems and furthermore concepts which are useful to you for all your competitive examinations as well as for your degree examinations. Till then, happy learning.